In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Airbnb. If you're a host and want to receive your earnings smoothly, setting up a payout method is essential. We'll add a bank transfer, which is one of the most common and widely supported options. Before you start, have your bank details handy and make sure the name on your Airbnb account matches the name on the bank account to avoid delays. Begin by going to Airbnb in your browser or opening the Airbnb app. Sign in to your host account. Once you're in, tap your profile or account icon, then open the account section. From there, navigate to payments and payouts. This is where Airbnb manages how you receive money. Choose payouts or payout methods to see your current options and add a new one. Select Add Payout Method to start the setup. When prompted to choose a type, pick Bank Account or Bank Transfer. Next, select your country or region. This is important because the exact banking details required can vary by location, and choosing the correct region ensures Airbnb asks for the right fields and formats. Now enter your bank details carefully. You'll provide the account holder name exactly as it appears on the bank account, the bank name, and your account number. You'll also be asked for a routing number or a SWIFT code depending on your country. The routing number is typically used for domestic transfers, while the SWIFT code identifies your bank for international transfers. If requested, add the bank address as listed by your bank. Take a moment to double check every digit. Even a small typo can cause payouts to fail or be delayed. When everything looks accurate, click Save or Submit. Airbnb will store this method securely and begin validating it in the background. At this point, Airbnb may ask you to complete additional verification. This can include identity verification, tax information, or a quick SMS or email confirmation. Complete any prompts you see right away so your payouts can be activated without interruption. Once your bank account is added and verified, set it as your default payout method if you want all future earnings to go there automatically. You can return to the same payouts area at any time to change your default or add additional methods. That's it. You've added a bank transfer payout method on Airbnb. Keep your details up to date, make sure your account name matches your bank records, and you'll be set to receive earnings reliably with each booking.